Okay, I'm going to talk to you now about creating a board. So you're really, whoops, sorry about that. You're going to go to boards.com and just create an account, okay? And what I love about this is some of you might already be in here and you might have some teams in here like, this is my peptide team, Team Impact. I have some ones I need to get out of here. I do patches as well, so it has that in there. But what I want you to focus on and how we're going to make your landing page is we're going to go to pages. And I have created a lot of pages because it's kind of like a little mini website. All right. So for example, when peptides were coming out, I made a leads board. I have a girls empowerment program. If you want to become an affiliate, then you can just create. So let's go to learn more about peptides. This is my board that I usually link to a lot of things. So you put your picture in there, you link all these things, create a free customer account, follow me on Pinterest. I did write blogs for a while, and then I have a freebie, grab my free guide, right? So when you hit that, it's going to send you to my MailChimp stuff. We're not going to do that, so don't stress out. Don't worry about that. We're going to have them send to your email, and we're going to create a freebie inside of boards. But I'm just giving you an idea on how you can create these, and you can add so many different links that you want, you guys, to the results thing, to become an affiliate, to join your newsletter, get your peptides here, and it's going to link to your website. So that's just one. But here is what I want to show you too, because you can make pages within pages. So let's see. You can make so many different pages, but let's go to my AI stuff. Here is my page I make, okay? I give a little thing on it, and then I link different pages to that. So when I say check here to learn more, I'm going to hit that, and it's going to go to my other boards page that I made that only has everything about AI on here and everything they need to see. And then they can follow my page here or grab their AI course here. So my point is you can make this board. Oops. Hold on. Let's get out of here. So this all links to, so this one links to this one. And then there's another one that links to that and links to that and links to that. So that you're just, and maybe that's too complicated, but my point is you can make anything you want, like massage therapy. I did this one to have my payment on there so that people could just pay me directly on that, on their link. So how do we make a board? You're going to go up here that says add page, and you're going to pick whatever you want. Events, sales, promotions, whatever, a product page. So say you want this one, okay? You're going to just create it, and you're going to put choose this template. And this, you guys, is where you're going to personalize it. You're going to add photos, you're going to add buttons, you're going to add your freebie in here. Like, for example, this one says get on our newsletter. It's going to have their full name and their address. You can add more fields. You can add multiple choice. You can add custom fields. I did multiple choice for a questionnaire that I was doing. And you can do all of that. This is like a mini website. So then you hit next, and then it's going to connect to your Google Sheets. So everybody that connects here, you're going to get their email, and it's going to drop into Google Sheets. And that's how you're going to start building your email list, okay? But this is a great way. You can add so much stuff in this. Here, if you're on your desktop, you can do checkout. Oh, checkout. Let's look at that one. That's new. So you can put your product name and then add a product. Okay, that's cool. That one's new. A form is what we're doing, right? That's cool. I'll show you the form I did. YouTube button. I like to add videos in there. Video, thought you can add a video in there. Like, this is such a great idea, whoever invented this, because it is literally your landing page. This can be your thing. Now, I do pay to upgrade. So just so you know, you can get more features when you pay. I don't pay that much. So keep that in mind. But other than that, it's free to create a page. So let's go to my peptide questionnaire. It looks like I spelled that wrong. So let's find your regimen. So I made this entire thing inside of Boards. And when people are done, they hit submit, and then I get a notification in my inbox that somebody has filled it out. And now I have their email, because remember, Instagram, you're just renting that space. Your emails are yours. So make sure that you create something like this too. But you guys can have a lot of fun with this as far as creating. And this, my friends, is what you're going to link when you do your Pinterest. So once you create your board, you're going to go back to Pinterest. And when you go to create a pin, which I will show you too, it's going to ask for a link right there. You're going to link that Boards app in there. So when somebody hits on yours, they're going to your Boards app. And now they can follow you on Instagram. They can get what you need. They can email you. They can do whatever you want it to do. You prompt it. They can grab your freebie. So we'll get into that next.